Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do an unboxing of Dior Beauty items. I actually had this box for quite a while. I just opened it. I love the Toile de Jouy print on the inside, so I am gonna repurpose this box. This is a shipping box, and like turn it inside out so that I could have an aesthetically big box without paying for it. So in case you're somebody who also likes to repurpose your items. So without further ado, let's look at what I got. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Like I said, today's video is a beauty unboxing and it has been here for quite a bit. I bought this, I don't know if you guys got the email too, but there was like a few days where if you're a platinum member, there were like special gifts or something like that each day. I ended up buying for one of the days, and while I was there, I also noticed I had a free platinum gift, like a welcome gift, which I thought I already received, but I guess what I received wasn't the platinum gift. Anyway, I added that to my cart, and yeah. So there's going to be a couple of gifts in this box, and it is a very surprise to me because I kind of forgot now what it is, and the gifts were obviously a surprise. So let's take a look. First thing in here is the receipt, and oh, okay, so I got, and it fell out already, but it's the mousse. This is the on or off on mousse. Feels like it should be called on off mousse, not off on. On, off, or off, on. Anyway, whatever. But it is this. I have used this before and I do like this. And so I got more. This is the, I think this is a bigger size than the one that I bought. But yes, I'm almost done with my Chanel face wash in the shower. So I am going to switch off to this one next. All right, next item in this box is this cotton pouch. The drawstring pouch is usually something that you get samples in. And so nothing too special, but I got the Dior L'Or perfume, and then also the Dior Prestige La Creme, which I love this one. It's the current cream that I use, but it's great for travel because it's a really neat, tiny size. And it fell out. So I don't know why the boxes are so loose. Like I just pick it up and it falls out. But this is the Christian Dior La Baume. I've been loving the La Baume. This one is not any different, but it does have a different print. So this one has the pink Toile de Jouy, which I have already purchased before, but I love putting it in all of my bags. Just, you know, it's balm for everywhere. So you could put it on your hands, on your lips, on your body. I don't really like it on my lips, but I have in a pinch lost my lip balm while I was out and it was like so chapped. So I remember putting this on. I didn't like it that much, but it was better than chapped lips. So I have used it on my lips. Did not really like it. It can work, and I've used it on my hands and body and it works just fine. So I really like this, and I love how compact it is and that it's a very easy like snap open. You can also twist it open, which gives you a slightly bigger, like, I don't know, squeeze out tube thing. But yeah, I like that you don't have to twist it off. You can just like pop it like this so you don't lose your cap. So I believe these are the only two things that I purchased, that I wanted to purchase. And then the next two items in here are my gifts. So let's look at this one. There's just a lot of tissue paper in here. Okay, so this one, I'm not sure if it is the special gift or if it's the welcome gift. I'm not sure. But let's take a look at it. I love the packaging. It is the usual Dior white pebbled, it's paper cardboard. Ooh, things are rolling around. Okay, let me kind of put them back into place. They're little tiny perfumes. So there is a little card here from Dior that tells you what it's here. And this is the like the seasonal gift or whatever that you can get if you bought something during this time. So there are 3 little tiny perfumes. These are the Lucky. So this is all the Lucky ones perfume. And then there is a cute little fan here. Okay, so let me take this out. So, oh, beautiful. Look at that. So it does have like botanical designs on it, like flower. I think these are, I don't know, are these lilies? No, they're bell flowers, I think. It's hard to see. I'm not sure. But it does have little CDs, so... so it's a fan, and underneath where the fan is held, there's a little tab that you can pull. And then you can also see that it comes with a strap. So this one, let's see. Oh, you just clip it here. Okay, and so yeah, you can wear this around your neck. Let me loosen it a little bit. Like a little lanyard, and you have a fan, and then you can just like fan yourself. I'm not sure if not sure if I'll wear it like that, but that's good. That's a good option to have if you want to be hands-free and not have to hold your fan. But this is a cute gift. I don't think I've seen this one before, so yeah, I'm glad I was able to grab one of them. I don't know if the other days were different. It sounded like every day was different, but who knows? If you did get one on one of the days, did you get this one, or did you get a different color or something? But yes, let's go on with the last gift. Oh, this one's a big gift. So this one's gotta be the welcome gift. Okay, let's see how I open this. It's taped quite well. By the way, you've heard me talk about this on the channel before, but the Dior Beauty loyalty program does have different tiers. Depending on which tier, you get different gifts, and when you enter a new tier, you do get a welcome gift. So you get put into those tiers by your purchases. So the more frequent you purchase and the more you buy, the more levels you go up, and then you get better gifts, supposedly. But like I always say, don't just buy things to get to tiers. You should get what you want to get. So like, for example, I only got these skincare items this time. Okay, so here we go. Oh, here we go. This is the gift box. So inside, oh wow, okay, so I see this, I think this is like a vanity, and I also see this is the Capture Total called Hyaluronic, I think it's like hyaluronic acid, but it's like, you know, in a very, wow, it's really hard to take out, but it's in like a tube form, it's like concentrated, so, oh, okay, it's supposed to help with wrinkles. I've never used it, really. Wrinkle corrector, yeah. So fortunately, I don't have too many wrinkles, but I guess, you know, it's never too early to start. I don't know, maybe I'll give it to my mom as well. But yeah, this is a nice, I want to say is full-sized tube. Anyway, so glad to have that. And here is the vanity. So let me put this box down. So the vanity, it has this CD, kind of like raised thing, and then it has gold zippers, has like a little pull handle tab that could flatten out, and otherwise it's very, very basic. The material feels like a soft cotton, and there is a mirror right here, and okay, inside there is, oh yeah, it tells you about the Hyaluronic wrinkle corrector. And there is an big empty container here, which I guess I can show you for the Lamousse. You can pop it in here, and wow, that's a lot of space. So that is a very nice vanity, which I think I have one, something similar, so I may just give this to my mom. And then, oh wow, it comes with like a towel. It says Dior Beauty. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, I love this. I think it's 100% cotton. Yep, it is. And it's a great size as well. So it's kind of like a washcloth, but a little bigger than a washcloth, but squared. So love that. And what else? And we have, what is this? Oh, it's a oh, I think this is, okay, this is polyester, but I want to say it's like for your hair. So try this really quick. I have no idea if this is what you're supposed to do. There's no, just going off script here. So is this what you do? It feels like this is what you should do with it. Okay, and then you put up your hair so you could do your skincare and whatever routine. Oh, I kind of like that, because then, you know, a lot of the times with these, you have to like pull it over your head and then like pull it over, like, you know, like this one's, you can Velcro it apart so you don't have to like put it through your face. So if you want to take it off, you can Velcro it off very easily. So if you already have something on your face, yeah, you don't want to get it dirty. So that is a great piece to have. I don't have things like that, but that is all for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in the loyalty program, I can link a previous video where I talk about it for the Dior Beauty program. But if you are wanting to purchase any of these items, I'll try to link it below so that you can hop onto it and find it. I don't think the fans are currently available as a gift, but if you are going into the platinum tier, there is a welcome gift, and I think it may still be this one because I got this one maybe just about a month ago. So they switch it out every so often, but I think they probably still are on this one. I would love to hear if you got a recent welcome gift for the platinum, and I would love to hear if you also got a fan and what color you got, if it's the same one. This one's beautiful. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which may include a handbag review, unboxing, I'm not sure, but stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.